channel, and if you're here for the very first time, welcome to my channel. I'm Ishika and I make videos related to cooking. I share recipes, also I do vlogging, and recently I started doing food challenges. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, please go and check it out, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I thought of doing a food challenge because this is something very interesting. I really love doing that because last मैंने किया था 24 hours liquid food challenge, so please go and check that out. So today I'm back with another food challenge. So आज मैं करने वाली हूँ 24 hours chaat eating challenge. So chaat is basically a very famous Indian street food जो सबको पता है. It's basically a savory Indian street food. So yeah, today मैं start कर रही हूँ अभी दही बड़े से, because this is something I am habituated to have as my breakfast. क्योंकि मैं पहले रहती थी भुवनेश्वर उड़ीसा में, so they serve दही बड़ा ऑल्सो इन ब्रेकफास्ट. पर वहाँ का थोड़ा सा अलग स्टाइल होता है. दही बड़ा के साथ वो लोग देते हैं आलू का सब्जी, पर मैंने बनाया नॉर्मल तरीके से. लेट्स डिग इनटू दिस यम्मिलिशियस दही बड़ा. दिस स्मेल्स सो हेवनली. तो आई विल क्विकली सर्व माई सेल्फ, और तब तक आप लोग जाके देख के आइए इसका रेसिपी. आई हैव शेयर्ड अ वेरी क्विक ईजी रेसिपी ऑफ दही बड़ा. एंड सॉरी गाइज, आई एम रनिंग लिटिल बिट आउट ऑफ माई ब्रेथ बिकॉज मुझे लगा है जुकाम. सो प्लीज बेयर विद दैट फॉर टुडे.
To make vada for this dahi vada, firstly I have made a fine paste out of urad dal using some salt and green chilies. Also I have soaked this urad dal for 8 to 10 hours, and here my fine paste is ready. So here I have heated some refined oil to deep fry these vadas. So I am making small ball shapes and frying these vadas until they turn golden to brown in color, and do this process in low to medium flame so that also that gets well cooked from inside. Do not make the vadas over crispy, otherwise they may not turn soft later. And in this position I think the vadas got perfect desirable color. So I'm taking out of the hot oil and I will wait until the vadas turn lukewarm. And here I've kept some lukewarm water with little bit of salt in it, and I've transferred the vadas in the water, and I'm trying to soak it, and I have kept it in water for 10 minutes, and then I'm squeezing the water out of the vada and transferring it to the plate where I will actually serve it. So it's time for the final layering of the vada. So here I've taken yogurt and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance everything, and also adding 1 teaspoon of black salt. Next goes in 2 teaspoons of chaat masala and a pinch of red chili powder. This is something you can balance on your own, and I'm mixing well all of these things, and there I'm forming a layer of this yogurt just right above the vada so that it can soak well. Add it generously. Just adding in the green chutney, which is made up of mint leaves and coriander leaves, some chana. Then I'm adding tamarind sauce, that is imli ka chutney. And lastly goes in onion and coriander leaves. That's it.
बहुत ज़्यादा स्पंजी बना है. इसका सॉल्ट प्रोपोर्शन बिल्कुल ठीक है. थोड़ा सा स्वीट है, तीखा भी काफ़ी है. आई शुड हैव टेकन सम सेव यानी कि भुजिया, बट मेरे कान में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द हो रहा है अभी, तो अभी भी मैं नहीं खाऊंगी. बाद में जब मम्मी पापा खाएंगे तो उन लोग को थोड़ा सा सेव के साथ सर्व कर दूंगी. आप लोग भी थोड़ा सा सेव के साथ इसको खाइएगा. Today I have some dahi fuchka or dahi golgappa, whatever you say. So I will quickly have my lunch. इसको मैं कर लेती quickly finish, और मिलते हैं आप लोग के साथ स्नैक्स के टाइम. Keep watching.
For kurkure ka chaat, here I've taken some crushed kurkures, and then I'm adding green moong. You may also add sprouts or sweet corns, anything of your choice. Then I'm adding in some onions. Also I'm adding in some chopped tomatoes, and adding little bit of black salt for seasoning. Just a pinch I will see. And lastly, I'm squeezing in a lemon. This will bring a very nice flavor and a good smell to this chaat, and obviously it will also give a tanginess.
So now it's time for some evening snacks. और आज evening snacks में मैं लाई हूँ कुरकुरे चाट. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इजी. हॉस्टल डेज में तो मैं हर दिन शाम में हम लोग बनाते थे कुरकुरे चाट विद स्वीट कॉर्न. अब स्वीट कॉर्न के साथ ये वाला बनाए तो और भी ज़्यादा टेस्टी लगता है. पर आज मैंने बनाया ग्रीन मूंग से. अब चाहे तो स्प्राउट से भी बना सकते हो. और ऊपर मैं डालूंगी थोड़ा सा, ऊपर से मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें स्प्रिंकल कर दूंगी भुजिया. परफेक्ट. एंड दिस इज रेडी. चलो अब इसको जल्दी जल्दी खा लेते हैं. अभी मैं इसको जल्दी जल्दी कर लेती हूँ फिनिश. उसके बाद मिलते हैं डिनर की टाइम. कीप वॉचिंग. हाय यू ऑल. अभी टाइम हो रहा है डिनर के लिए. सो आई विल क्विकली गो एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग डिनर. सो बेसिकली क्या हुआ, इवनिंग स्नैक्स के बाद मुझे आ गया था बहुत ज़्यादा बुखार. अभी तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश दिख रही हूँ बिकॉज मेडिसिन लेके मैं 1 घंटे के लिए सो गई थी. नाउ आई एम चेकिंग माई ऑक्सीजन लेवल, क्योंकि अभी किसी को भी अगर जुकाम बुखार कुछ भी हो जाए तो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स इन माइंड इज कहीं कोविड तो नहीं हो गया है. सो या जस्ट गिविंग इट अ चेक. बट मैं अभी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, बस थोड़ा सा जुकाम है. इट विल गो, डजेंट मैटर. तो अभी जो मैं आज बनाऊँगी वो है कटोरी चाट. एंड इज़ गोइंग टू बी यू नो एक्सपेरिमेंटल कुकिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग, बिकॉज मैंने कभी पहले बनाया नहीं है. अच्छा होगा तो भी आप लोग देखोगे, अगर अच्छा नहीं होगा तो भी आप लोग देखोगे. सो या लेट्स गो टू द किचन एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग कटोरी चाट. आई गेस अच्छा होगा, बट यू नो दिस इज समथिंग मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा टफ होगा बनाने में. सो या लेट्स गो एंड सी.
So now I'll start making katori chaat. For that I will firstly make the katori, that is something like papri only I will say. For that here I've taken 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Seasoning here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And for a hint of color I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, that is ghee. And then I'm adding in few nigella seeds, that is kalonji. This will bring a very nice flavor to the papri. I'm into the katori, which is basically papri. Also I've added in 1 tablespoon of hot refined oil. And here I'm mixing all of these ingredients together. To check the proportion of oil is perfect for the dough or not, here I have taken a little bit of all-purpose flour in my hands and I'm trying to give it a shape. If it holds into that shape, that means your oil quantity for this dough is perfect. If not, add a little more. Now using normal room temperature water, I will make a nice dough. I won't make the dough too soft, not too tight. It will be moderate. Now I will quickly knead the dough at least for 15 minutes. And here our dough is ready. Now I will take out small balls out of this dough and I will give it a perfect shape. Then I've sprinkled a little bit of all-purpose flour in the working station where I will actually roll the dough. Then out of these small balls I will roll it out roughly. I will keep it little thick but not too thick. Here I've taken a small steel bowl. Basically this is katori, that's why we call it katori chaat, because it will take the shape of this bowl, that is a katori. And I will stick that dough which I have rolled according to the shape of this bowl, that is a katori. You can just simply follow the step how I am showing here. Just pull the dough and pinch a bit, just like forming a plate. This is the easiest way I will say. Here I've heated some refined oil. When the oil is well heated, I will slowly put the katori or the bowl in. Be very careful. I found it a little bit risky, so yeah, be very careful. Once it starts frying, it will slowly leave the bowl or the katori. That means it is getting well cooked from inside. Keep the flame in low to medium. Just slowly move it with a spatula. And here you can see the bowl or the katori is leaving the dough that we have made. Now I will flip it for once to check the color. As you can see, the papri has already started to leave the bowl. So now it's time to pull out the bowl. And this particular step is going to be little difficult. At least for me it was little difficult. So I have figured it out. I have taken a nice clean cloth in one hand, pinch and pull it out, and I've also used a small spoon alongside. So here the papri in katori shape is ready. So I've flipped it so that the edges also gets well fried. I will again show, but in a little different procedure. I just wanted to try in two ways, but I think the first way turned out to be more good. But I think the plating is much better in this one from the first one. So you can definitely follow this step. After plating, gently tap it and secure it. The only difference is that this time I used a fork and made small holes. I think this was really not needed. You can just simply do that. So this is the first one that I've made, and I quickly wanted to show you guys how crispy it is. Since our katoris are ready, now I will start preparing the filling. So here I've taken yogurt, and then I'm adding some freshly crushed cumin powder, that is jeera powder, and in it I've also added 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you want you may, but it obviously tastes better if you add a little bit of sugar. And here I will also use the dahi vadas that I've made in morning. If you want you can skip it. Also, you may add anything according to your choice in the filling. After all, there is no law how you have to make your own chart. Then put anything according to your own preference. I have added small pieces from the dahi vada, and then I am adding some boiled potatoes. Next, I will add in some sliced onions and some sliced tomatoes. Then I'm adding in some green moong and some chanas. This will make it more filling. Next, I will add in yogurt generously. Now I will add the green chutney that I've made out of mint leaves and coriander leaves, that is pudina, and dhania patta with some green chilies, that is hari mirch. I will pour it in all of these katoris. Next, I'm adding in some chopped apples. Then I'm drizzling some imli chutney, that is tamarind sauce. This is sweet imli chutney. Adding in some sliced green chilies. This will bring a very nice sharpness to this chaat, and adding again in some sliced onion, tomatoes, and layering with that yogurt, that is dahi. For garnishing purpose, I'm using little bit of chopped coriander leaves, that is dhania patta. Last but not the least, mom is sprinkling some bhujia or save, anything you can add. And now is the final drizzling of imli ka chutney. This will make it look more attractive. That's it. Everything is sorted here. Well, here my katori chaat is all ready to serve. As you can see, it looks so tempting, और खाने में भी उतना ही ज़्यादा मज़ा था. It was crunchy, it was savory, बहुत ज़्यादा tasty था. Do give it a try and let me know.
It's time for the last meal of the day. आप लोगों ने तो इसका रेसिपी देख ही लिया है, so मैं भी क्विकली खाऊंगी ये कटोरी चाट. So this experiment was a success. So आप लोग भी ट्राई कीजिए एंड एंजॉय कीजिए. ये दिखने में जितना सुंदर है, खाने में भी शायद उतना ही टेस्टी होगा, क्योंकि इसमें जो फीलिंग मैंने ऐड किया है वो सारे टेस्टी ऑब्वियसली है ही. सो या आई विल जस्ट मिक्स इट अ बिट एंड देन पहले एक बार स्पून से टेस्ट करती हूँ. And now it's time for the big bite. And this is going to be little messy. आप देख ही सकते हो इसके अंदर कितना सारा दही है, चटनी है, so please bear with that. Did you hear that noise? जो crunchy, जो crackling noise है इसका. So yeah, आप इसी तरीके से इसको बनाइए. बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रंची हुआ है, I can assure you that. तो अभी मैं इसको जाकर सबके साथ बैठ के enjoy करती हूँ. हाय यू ऑल, फाइनली माई 24 आवर्स चाट ईटिंग चैलेंज हो गया है कंप्लीट। सुबह से लेके रात तक मैंने सिर्फ आज चाट ही खाया, डिफरेंट चाट्स। ऑल्सो आई शेयर 2 recipes which you will see in this video only. Hope you like it. With that I'm wrapping up this vlog here. अभी मैं पी रही हूँ थोड़ा सा काढ़ा बिकॉज आज जो मेरा हालत था, आई रियली थॉट कि मैं ये कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाऊँगी आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट, बट लाइक आई थॉट नहीं कर लेती हूँ। पर जितना इमली और जितना दही मैंने इस चैलेंज में इंटेक किया है, पता नहीं क्या हालत होगा उसके बाद मेरा, बिकॉज ज़ुकाम के लिए सारा चीज़ अच्छा नहीं होता, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा काढ़ा पी रही हूँ। डोंट कंसिडर दिस एज चीटिंग, प्लीज़ बेयर विद दैट। और यहाँ पे आज हुआ है कुछ सामान डिलीवर्ड फ्रॉम मिंत्रा विच आई विल शो यू गाइज इन अ हॉल वीडियो। मिनी हॉल, छोटा सा हॉल होगा, अब तक सारा सामान डिलीवर नहीं हुआ। ऑल्सो हेयर आई हैव माई बर्थडे आउटफिट बिकॉज माई बर्थडे इज कमिंग रियल सून. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I shall be back with more such challenges, recipes, cooking videos, vlogs, many more things. Okay, so yeah, if you have liked this video, do not forget to put a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends, family, loved ones, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe and yes, stay tuned. Bye for now.